lot of people will be asking why my first 100 videos whenever I open a new YouTube channel. I know you'll be so confused why you have to create 100 videos in your first month opening or your creating of your channel. Now, this is the reason why. When you open a YouTube account or you create a YouTube channel, what is expected of you is to stay consistent. Why? Because take for instance, you create a video today and you just want to upload a video all through the week, or maybe you have something to do, you have another job to do, you have another thing to do aside running a YouTube channel. Now, you will not be having enough time for you to be creating a video every day or editing a video every day. Now, if you are a one that shoots video, let's say Monday, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, or Sundays, and you are still the one trying to also edit that video, you should understand that editing of videos takes a whole lot of time. You understand what I mean? Editing a video takes a whole lot of time. So the best you can do is to shoot your videos and then edit the videos and keep. Then what you need to do is to schedule the videos so that they can drop each day of the week that you want it to drop. So a lot of people are saying, oh, I create a video, I take my time to edit a video, and I post a video, but I am not getting views, I'm not getting subscribers. Now, that is because when you are having an idea of the kind of content you want to create, the best strategy for you is to first and foremost shoot your first 20 to 30 videos. When you shoot these videos, you can start editing them. So if you are just creating a YouTube channel, don't just wait and start creating just one video. You post one video today, then maybe you give it a space, and then in the interval of like 3-4 days before you post another video. It will only slow your progress and your growth on the channel. So you need to have a whole lot of videos and schedule and upload, because this will also enable YouTube algorithm to know that you are consistent with whatever you are posting, which is very, very, very important. So one of the things that the algorithm reward is consistency. When you're consistent with your videos and you keep uploading, you train the algorithm to know that you are consistent. In creating a YouTube channel or as a new YouTube beginner, what you are expected to do for your small YouTube channel is what? Consistency. Keep posting. Even if you have one view, keep posting. And a lot of people might be saying, oh, I have posted 50 videos and then I'm not just getting views. Just keep posting. Keep posting. Keep posting. If you have one view, keep posting. If one person is watching your video, you have already own an audience. If one loyal audience watches your video and subscribe to your channel, you have won that loyal audience. It's better for you to have one loyal audience than to have 500 subscribers or 500 subscribers that will watch your videos and later on unsubscribe from your channel. So it is better for you to have one loyal subscriber than to have 500 subscribers that will definitely unsubscribe from your channel when they watches your video. And that is why it is very, very important for you to create valuable content. Those who subscribe to your channel are subscribers that are loyal to you. So building a loyal audience takes a whole time. So you need patience, you need consistency. While you upload your first video, it's getting one view, no problem. Upload another video. If it's getting 0 view, keep uploading. Do not be discouraged, because the more you upload is a lesson for you to take. If you are getting one view today, you check your title, you check your thumbnail, you check your description, or you check the kind of content that you have given. What is wrong with that? From that, you begin to learn. So creating a YouTube channel takes a whole lot of patience. It takes consistency. So if you find this video helpful, you can just subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.